When this video is released on September 13th, 2023, it will mark my 1-year anniversary for publishing my first YouTube video. In today's presentation, I will show you which videos from the last year were significant to me. I am Danny, and welcome to my channel, Danovator, where my experiences become your adventure. I want to say thank you to all those who have subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And remember to hit that bell notification so you'll know when I release my next video. It happened right here. I stood there when I gave my first intro on a YouTube video. My first video was about how I maintain my chlorine vinyl-lined swimming pool. I almost gave up. I was way out of my comfort zone and spent countless hours trying to edit this video to tell my story. I was able to find a few of my first video outtakes.
This is Danny. That don't mean to sound right. This is Danny. Hello, I'm Danny, and I'm going to show you how I normally maintain my... That's not right.
I pushed through and finished my first video. After pressing publish, I never looked back. My first videos were how-to videos. When I had something to do around the house, I filmed, I edited, and then I uploaded. And even today, I have to still put air in that tire.
What to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get.
My spooky adventure was my Halloween video for 2022. This was my first away from home video I filmed. This video received a decent amount of views, and it persuaded me to do more exploring adventures.
No food is needed. No peeing on the floor. Perfect pet. I mean, look at the grave digger. And there's Jason.
This video, filmed in Moultrie, Georgia, was my first cemetery video. To me, it was unique to be able to see a full-size baby elephant statue on the grave of its owner, William Duggan. My 2022 Southwest Georgia Regional Fair video proved again that exploring places and events was what my viewers wanted. I will definitely include more fairs throughout my journey. Listening to my wife and making a video of Christmas 2022 at Callaway Gardens was a great idea. On the 25th of March 2023, this video became my first 1K viewed video in my collection. So it's definitely a good idea to listen to your better half. My Early County Museum video was a special video for me because I was excitedly welcomed by the staff to bring exposure to their small town treasure. When I filmed there on a Friday, I had the place to myself, and I was able to create what the staff called a masterpiece. It's time to do a little Christmas caroling, but also if you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. This was my last how-to video. Even though this was a simple video of how I replaced my incandescent bulbs with the new style LEDs, I tried to put a little oomph in it.
But I believe it's time to end it. Time for the LED bulb revolution.
The first part of 2023 took me on adventures to a covered bridge, to historical Fort Gaines, to the Walter F. George Lock and Dam, to the Pirates Cove Nature Walk, to Reno and Amsterdam, to the Wolf Creek Trout Lily Preserve, and then to the Oak Grove. The Oak Grove video was filmed in Mitchell County. There was an oak grove that had an abandoned church located on one end of it and a movie location that a scene was filmed at the other end. The movie was The War, starring a young Elijah Woods and Kevin Costner. In late February of 2023, former President Jimmy Carter was placed on hospice care, so I made a Jimmy Carter video in his honor. I even juggled peanuts in front of the Jimmy Carter peanut statue. As of this video, Jimmy Carter is still holding on. This was a fun adventure. My Pelham video just eclipsed 1K views and was promoted by the Pelham Chamber of Commerce. I was even able to explore inside of the massive and beautiful hand trading company building. And visit the final resting place of J.L. Hand. I would have to say that my most notable achievement for 2023 was when I was part of the last group that ventured into the very last historical showing of Poseidon's Fury at Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando. This video has received well over 13,000 views since I published it. I was able to gather a lot of clips from Universal Orlando back in May of 2023 during our family vacation. So I released 3 more follow-up videos. I love doing theme park reviews. I have just finished up my Bainbridge, Georgia video 4-part series. A city's Chamber of Commerce is actually a great place to start your adventure. They welcome the exposure that your videos give to their town. You better watch out for alligators in South Georgia. My Chapter 3 video, the City Walking Tour, was my first video in 4K. My Oak City Cemetery tour included many notable people from Bainbridge, Georgia. I started early on Halloween this year and released an August review of spooky animatronics and displays in the big box stores. I will follow this video with a haunted September and October review. So don't miss out. That big skeleton is waving his hands like he just don't care. Thank you so much for watching my video for my first year anniversary. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't, please do. And make sure you hit that bell so you'll be notified when I release my next video. And always remember, your adventure awaits with the Danovator.